Best Financial Books for Beginners. Welcome to my video on the best financial books for beginners. Are you new to personal finance and looking to learn more about managing your money? Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just starting to take an interest in your finances, reading books is a great way to get started. In this video, I'll share with you some of the best financial books for beginners that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. 1. The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason. This classic book offers practical advice on personal finance in the form of parables set in ancient Babylon. The lessons taught in this book are timeless, and they focus on the importance of saving, investing, and living within your means. 2. The Total Money Makeover, by Dave Ramsey. This book is a step-by-step guide on how to get out of debt, build an emergency fund, and start investing for the future. Dave Ramsey's practical advice and motivational tone make this book a favorite among many beginners. 3. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. This book challenges traditional ideas about wealth and offers a new perspective on financial education. Kiyosaki uses stories from his own life to teach readers how to think differently about money and investing. 4. Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book offers a holistic approach to personal finance, focusing on the connection between money and happiness. It teaches readers how to align their spending with their values and create a fulfilling life with financial security. 5. The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. This classic book is a must-read for anyone interested in investing. It covers the fundamentals of value investing and teaches readers how to analyze stocks and bonds to make smart investment decisions. There you have it, some of the best financial books for beginners. Reading these books can help you gain the knowledge and confidence you need to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Which one are you excited to read? Let me know in the comments below.